Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what would you have if you add Need for Speed to Google Maps. This is basically the idea of this browser game that is completely free and multiplayer, okay? Now go to Google and type Hop.Earth, okay? This guy right here, okay? You're gonna be able to create your account to play and to log in the case you already have an account. And after login, you're gonna be able to enter some lobbies to play, okay? And all up to you and to your needs. For example, you can play by creating a lobby. You can access your profile. You can see the balance. You can see your account, in the case that you want. And there is some options to play. There is a lobby to start here. You can log out and log in. Or even you can create a map in the case you want. Let's click on play. We're going to be teleporting to some map. You can access any map on the planet in the case that you want. All up to you and to your needs. And you can create a new race. I'm gonna start the race here and finish the race here. Okay? This is the size. You can share the race with your friends, so you can play on multiplayer. You can reset the race or start the race. Of course, there is no much graphics yet, it's still a project under development, but it's very interesting that a game on your browser adds the streets and mountains, tunnels, and other, like bridges, for example. You're gonna jump and you're gonna access the car, okay? Here's the car. Press F to drive and G to go to the passenger. I'm gonna press F. There is a radio that I can mute, okay? And here is how to drive. Nice, right? There is some bugs, of course, there is some bugs. It's part of the process, of course. But it's a very interesting game to play with your friends, okay? Press X to hold and return the road. Nice, right? And here is the results we got. Lots of bugs, of course, but it's still fun to play. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!